Hello, I'm Liu Birkov and let's create a new customer in QuickBooks program. Let's start. Let's find Sales Center on the left panel of QuickBooks program. Find Customer, click Customers. Now we watch Customers list. Let's click button New Customer. Let's write company name. Click email, click phone number, click website, paste website address, click this icon, country, zip code, state, city, street address. Click Save. We are inside of company No Volume Solutions. If we want to add new information, change all information, fix mistakes, please click Edit button. Now we open Customer Card, but I don't have new information. I click Close. I want to back in Customers list. I will click Hyperlinks Customers. Let's scroll down and find our customer. Let's click Arrow. And I want to talk you about function Make Inactive. If we want clean up customers list, we can make inactive and our customer no volume solution will disappear. Let's try. Click Make Inactive. Yes, I click Make Inactive. I confirm. Now we watch that our customer was disappeared. And what should we do if we want back our customer in general list? Let's find Setting. Select checkmark Include Inactive. Let's scroll down. We find our no volume solutions with not deleted. Let's click Feature Make Active. And our customer again appear in general list. So I want to show you addition feature. You can fast create invoice. Click Create Invoice. Now we watch the window. We watch fields for future invoice. You can add additional information such as invoice date, service, rate and quantity, and create new invoice. In this exercise, I will not show you how to create invoice. I just click Close. Leave without saving. And we are inside of customer list again. Today we created new customer. Our task was done. Good luck. Bye bye.